thought I'd make a video today on an update on where I'm at and how to install a Starlink modem and power box stand on a boat. So I just got the package in the mail today, as you can see, and I'm installing it back here in the back. So what I've done is I'm just putting it on the wall, and I'll make a part 2 in the video on how to install the actual Starlink on the boat with the RV pole mount for the Starlink Gen 3. So what I'm doing here is I screwed this onto the wall. Now this thing here costs about $26 on Amazon. So anyway, hold on, I got it in there tight. Okay, so it's just one piece, and it comes with 3 screws, but they were long. I didn't want to go through the hull, so I just put 3 screws. And because it's going into wood, I skipped the plastic, what do you call it, piece, and the input, the piece that goes in when you drill in, and then you put the plastic insert piece in. I skipped that. So how it looks up here, you got a little space back here for stuffing the wires. It goes up into here. So first thing, you screw that onto the wall. It's pretty simple. Then you slide this piece in. That, and I got the other piece here. Let's see. So this piece here, but first I'm going to take this wire, and you see how it's got a little loop on the back there? You just loop this wire through here, and that piece kind of holds it in there. And then you want to, hold on, it's hard to do this well. So you want to take it like this, and make sure you can still plug it in. You got enough space to go up to it. And then just tuck all this back in here. Tuck it underneath there, so that just this one's coming out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug it in. That's plugged in. Try to stuff the wire in there properly. And then this piece just goes on here. And you just got to line it up and then pop it in there. It's not going anywhere. I've got the power cable. I'll just run that over top, down towards the, down here towards the plug. And then all this cable here, you can stuff it back here if you want. I don't know. I mean, obviously you want to do a neater job than that. But anyway, and then plug this in, and you're grooving. So that's how you install a Starlink stand on a boat. Pretty simple. If you don't have any wood, you want to find something you can drill into, preferably not your hull. You don't want to drill into the hull, obviously. So find yourself something, a nice flat spot for it, and there you go, done, easy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.